Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You can see I'm a little bit more furry. I got a little bit more hair everywhere. Got those COVID curls rocking. You can see the garage has changed a little bit. So yeah, let's talk about that real quick before we move on to what I was gonna do. Alright guys, a little explanation what happened. Laptop went out, so I haven't been able to post any videos for a while. In the process of that, hold on, let me get a little bit. We moved. So I moved from one area, Phoenix, and I moved to another area. So I lost my big garage. It's a smaller garage. You see, good old hair. And yeah, so got a new laptop now. Getting situated now. I'm gonna start posting some more videos. And today's video is gonna be upgrading the back tail lights and the third brake light on my truck with LED. So I'm upgrading everything to the LED. As you can see, some of my neighbors are walking by. Upgrading my back of my truck to LED lights, right? From the bottom license plate, third brake light, and then tail lights. So yeah, let's do that. All right guys, so again, I'm working on a 2008 Dodge Dakota. I think it goes from, some of these parts stated like 1997 to 2010. So a lot of these parts might be universal. So the first thing I took off is my third brake light, so which is the one that's right above in the cab. It's this one here. As you can see, it has the old halogen style bulbs. Super simple to take off. 2 screws, zip them out. It does have a gasket on it, so like this little paper gasket. Like I said, I have 240,000 miles on it, so it was stuck. I had to scrape it off, so I scraped it off with one of those pry tools. Used some rubbing alcohol to clean the surface. One thing I did check was to make sure that the plug is the same as the new one that I bought. And you're wondering why buy the whole unit. It was cheaper in the long run for me to buy an LED whole unit than buying these individual LED bulbs. So that's the reason why I did that. And then I can have this one as, I could do my own type LED project if I want to, or throw a coat of tin on it, or do whatever I want to do, or show how to resurface this, because this is really sun damaged. So I can just kind of show you how to resurface the screen like this when you have really bad sun damage. So I could save it for a future project. So this is a new one. So this one did come already with the tent. I wasn't looking for the tent, but that's all they had available at the time I was buying this. Like I said, the plugs are the exact same. This is off of Amazon. Doesn't really have a brand on it. It's gonna be hard for you to see, but you can see all the LED bulbs right in there. And this is just a direct fit that goes there, or in the original spot. And then it comes with some 3M double-sided tape. And then it comes with these 2 little pocket covers for where your screws go in. So yeah, super simple to install. Give me 1 second, I'm gonna install that right now, and then we'll move on to the next one. Alright guys, so that's the cargo light that they're on, the third brake light. That is the regular bulb. And then that is the new LED bulb, which is kind of hard to tell actually on camera now that I look at it. But in real life, that one's extremely brighter than this one. Because normally like it's a filament, so it has like that one line that you see where it glows from. And down here, there's, think of it kind of like a triangle. Each side has LEDs on the inside, and then on the very back of it, there's a bulb. Well, let me just show you. But yeah, that's how it is comparison right now. So, like I said, the brake light, I don't know if you can see it. Let me see if I can get it. So it has a bulb, and you can see the LEDs on it, and it's magnified. Then each side has LEDs. Same thing with the reverse lights. You have there you go, the magnified glass, and then this is actually a circle, and these are all LEDs, which there's a lot more LEDs on this one than there's the other one compared to your old school filament bulbs. So super simple to take. Again, this is on a 2008 Dodge Dakota. If you are going to the junkyard and you need to pull these tail lights for any reason, I do suggest, normally people think you need to take a screwdriver. You need to take, I think it's called a Torx bit. See if we can get it to focus. There we go. Let's see. Here, let's see this. There we go. So this is a Torx bit. I know it's kind of hard, guys. Sorry. It's a T25, especially for the Dodge Dakota. That's what you're going to need to get these tail lights out. There's 2 screws. One in the bottom and one in the middle. So this is where you can wrap your cable, so you have your tailgate slanted like at a, I think it's like a 45-degree angle, and then where your tailgate hooks to right underneath that, that's where the screw is on there. Super simple. All you have to do is kind of pry. Be careful so you don't break stuff. If you hear all those noises, it's just a bunch of rocks that are in there. But you just kind of push back a little bit. Just work your way out. This one's being a little bit more stubborn than the other one. The other one popped right out. Let's see if I can get one of these pry tools. There we go. So I got the top part done. There we go. There goes the second one. Kind of dusty. So they have these little points right here, and there's these little metal grommets where they stick into. But anyways, so we'll start with the brake light. If you look here, there's 2 little kind of tabs on each side. You push in, and then you just kind of pull, and it releases it. And then pushes right back in. Push in and twist. So you push down and then twist, so you have the wings on the side of the clip. Super simple. Now, time for the reverse light. Realign everything. And just tab back in. Just push in and then just reinstart your screws. Save these for a rainy day since they're still good. Alright guys, so now is the license plate bulb. These are super simple. If you're wondering what the diameter is of the hole, it's an inch. It's about an inch deep. It's about 2 inches long, about 1.5 inches wide. I guess these fit multiple vehicles. Yeah, so quick note, if you put the wrong bulb in it, let's see if I can get this to focus. So the bulb I put was originally for the reverse tail light because one bulb went out. I went to the junkyard, pulled one, it had a bulb. I was like, oh, I'll just throw it in the license plate. It should be the same bulb, right? I didn't do my research. This melted right there. All that melted. Look in there, melted. Let's see if I can get all that melted inside. So yeah, those bulbs get super hot, guys. You guys can see that. But that's all melted right there. I was able to pull the bulb out. Looks like that might be fine. But you know what? Let's just send it. Let's put it on and see what happens. These are the LED bulbs. So, and again, the whole unit was cheaper to buy instead of the bulb itself. As you can see, I don't know if you can see right there. Can I get you? There you go. See the LED bulbs in there? There's actually 3, 6, 9. There's 9 bulbs in there. The glass, the 2 wires coming out. I don't like the fact that this is exposed in there. It just seems like water can get into it, but this is supposed to have a rubber coating on it. You know what? Let's go full send. Let's see if it clicks in. And this is also supposed to twist and turn in. There we go. And then, sorry guys, I don't know if my arms are in the way or what. There we go, that's one. Alright guys, so that's how you upgrade the back half of your 2000, we'll say, well 2005 for sure, all the way up to 2000, I think 10 or 11 Dodge Dakotas. Doesn't matter what motor you have. The back half to LEDs, some of those might even go farther back to a different vehicle. Like I saw on the license plate lights, the LED lights, it says 1997 to 2010. So I got all these on Amazon. So that's the license plate. There we go. So these are the LED for the license plate. Don't remember how much I paid for these. So I'm gonna have to post them down. I'll try to make a link. I don't have a link through Amazon anymore. Just got too difficult doing it. So, but I'll try to find a link to those and post them on. The third brake light. This is all that it has on there. I'm not sure if you guys are gonna be able to see that. That's all. So it's some known name. It's made pretty well. Only issue I do have with that is there's a row of LEDs. The last two on the right and the last two to the left LEDs are still on, just very dim. So I'm not sure if that's a byproduct of the LEDs. I haven't seen anything. I'm gonna have to do some research, see if that is. This was another no name. It was cheap, so we'll see how long it lasts. See if those burn out. You never know. And then the brake light and the reverse light. I used JD Master. So these ones for the white and the red. These actually are built really well. Part of it seemed like it was aluminum, or maybe just a fake aluminum. But the fact that it had the magnifying glass on the very back of it, the LEDs look like they were placed very well. So definitely, I like these ones a lot. I'll try to see if I can. So these are the white. Come on, please focus. There you go. So that's the white ones, or the backup, right? Reverse lights. And then these are the brake lights. So they might have them there. Okay. So I got everything on Amazon. Yeah, so it was super simple to put in. Like I said, if you have a 2000 or you have a Dodge Dakota, like I said, ranging from 2005, 2010, or 11, you're gonna need a Torx T25 to remove those screws out. So if we go with the Phillips screwdriver or a flathead, depending on how wide your flathead is, you might not be able to get those screws out if you're going to the junkyard to remove the tail lights. But super simple. Clean your surfaces, especially in the third brake light. And yeah, so it looks, to me in person, it looks a lot better, a lot brighter. It's kind of hard to pick it up on the camera, but that's an upgrade. So yeah, so thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to smash that like button, and then just tune in. Like I said, I had some technical difficulties with my laptop crashing. I built a front custom bumper for my truck. A lot of the video was on that when that computer crashed. So I only have bits and pieces of that now. So if anything, I just kind of will explain how I built it, what it's made of, try to see what you guys think about it. I have that. I think I have to look. I think there was another video that I was doing that I ended up losing most of the footage on. But yeah, we're gonna continue doing some more mods on my truck. The next mod that I wanna do and that I have the parts for now are the transmission cooler, and then also doing the E-fan conversion, because I do have that. I bought a Flexolite fan, but I want to do that and see how it works, see if we get any performance additives to it. Remember, I don't have that front bumper like the way I used to have, so I lost miles per gallon. But yeah, so we'll see. Any comments? Leave them in the comment section below, and then comment section below, and then I'll try to get to you guys as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.